ancient stones. So let's see. I will show you the view. Then steps. Look at the steps, guys. Just this snow hills is the beauty of Kyrgyzstan. So, 4 countries, and I'm from India, as you guys know. So here we found German people. How are you? What is your name, ma'am?
Hello.
Hello, Julia. Hello. Where are you guys from?
United States.
United States. Oh, enjoying Kyrgyzstan? Yes. Ornaments. They are from like 10 and 12th centuries. Very old ornaments. Wait. The new video. So today's video, have you seen? I am currently at the location, and today's audio will be in English because my group mates are from Egypt, Palestine, so they should also understand the video. They should also watch. So look at the view, and I am doing intro after reaching the spot. So now I will show you. I will first introduce my friends to you, and then I will show you the path which we enjoyed in Mashutka. So one Burana tower which was very interesting to climb, and there is one museum there, and after that there is a tent. So let's introduce our group mates to you. First we have Muqaddas. Muqaddas is from Pakistan, and where are you? Azza from Palestine.
Yes.
Sana from Pakistan.
Yes.
Abdullah, where are you hiding? Come here. So he's Abdullah from Egypt. So 4 countries, and I'm from India, as you guys know. So these are our group mates, and we will enjoy our trip. Come on, let's see. Abdullah, say hi. देखो कौन छुप रहा है, ये अपने हैं ब्लॉगर मुकद्दस।
अरे फैंस की जरूरत नहीं है।
फैंस की जरूरत नहीं, हमको आपके फैंस मिल जाएंगे ना। बहुत देखो, ये है एकदम बहुत बड़े ब्लॉगर है, तो अब क्या ही बोल सकते। अब अपना क्या ही कुछ अपने से ज्यादा है भी नहीं। सब्सक्राइबर कितने पता है क्या? 50K। देख लो। So now we are going upstairs in this Burana tower, and we will go in the top. So let's see. Let's go and check the view. This snow hills is the beauty of Kyrgyzstan. And more cinematic shots will be there today. Gimbal operating gimbal, so many cinematic shots will be there in the video. So don't skip. Entering this tower, and the guide asked us to open the flash of the mobile so that you can see inside. There is no light here present inside, and you can see this because of the gimbal light. Otherwise it was very dark over here, and very small place, guys. It's taking a while to climb. Look, steps are also very small. This is my mobile flashlight, and other one is gimbal's light, so that's why you are able to see. Otherwise it's full of darkness. Then steps, look at the steps, guys. Just this small. It's very difficult to climb this, and finally we have climbed this tower. Watch the length. Like my mobile, just my mobile can come so small steps this is. It's very adventurous. So at the end we have climbed. This is the view of the tower, and we have climbed the whole tower. Now you can see it's sunrise and snow hills. It's excellent view. Watch the hills. Written her name here on the tower, top of the tower. Now Muqaddas is trying to write name. Abdullah, do you want to write name here also?
Yeah,
Okay, okay, we all will write our names here.
नाम इतना बड़ा है स्लेटी छोटी पड़ गई
What's the view?
यार तो बैठ जाना पड़ेगा वो देखो
This is the benefit of gimbal. So unfortunately I forgot my mic in the Mashutka there and I don't want to bring it now. So there will be some little audible problem. So face it. I am showing you so beautiful view, so at least face some problems. Some efforts for me. So look at the view.
Oh, don't laugh. Don't laugh.
So watch the view. This is in wide angle and you can watch. And it's very heighted. Like watch this. We are on very top of the We've climbed a lot. And it was in the dark, so it like we would have not understood the actual climbness, like height of this tower, but it's very heighted. Guys, here I will write my name as my group mates are doing. They are also asking me to write. So yes, I will write here.
Они были полностью реставрированы, куполообразные такие небольшие были. И в одном из мавзолеев было найдено тело женщины воина под распоряжением 1000 воинов. То есть у нее был...
I can't write.
О, окей.
मेरा कौन सा नाम दिल लेना नुमान क्या लिखा है बड़ी नाम लिखे जा रहे हैं
हाँ देख लो आज.
ऐसे क्यों ऐसे है सीरियसली
Finish writing my nickname. As you guys know, Ash. I will not write my real name here. And first group mates were thinking, oh, I am writing my girlfriend's name. That's why who is from A, who is from S. But you guys know, Ash is my nickname. Ash Numan, my Instagram channel. If you have not followed, follow it. So he is giving us information about Burana Tower. Brother, what is the height of this tower?
Huh?
Height.
22 meters.
22 meters. Oh,
The
okay.
last 47 meters, but
Oh.
even now the 22 meters.
Okay, it's
You
cut
have
down, so the tower is decreased, height is decreased
Yeah,
now.
the crease, here the как землетрясение.
Yeah.
Cool, yeah.
Okay, okay, understood.
Это-
This is Azaz. This is this is my Ash. This is my nickname. And here, this is Mukaddas. Hi. What about you, Abdullah? Podo. Yes, this is Abdullah's nickname, Podo. So here we found German people. How are you? What is your name, ma'am?
Hello.
Hello, YouTube channel, Ashar Numan. So I may tell all of them that Kyrgyzstan is beautiful, right?
Yes, very beautiful country.
Like you visiting here for just tourists, right? Or you are?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you enjoying here?
Yeah.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. So now we came downstairs and it was very adventurous to climb this Burana tower, and this was the gate. And now we will go to the museum. Hello, where are you guys from?
United States.
United States. Oh, enjoying Kyrgyzstan. What is your experience about Kyrgyzstan? Is it beautiful?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Okay, nice. Have a nice trip. Take care. Look at the view, guys.
The view is amazing.
Yes. Successfully completed the tower. Now we are going in the museum. This is the museum, and there are very old ancient stones. So let's see. I will show you the view. These are all old ancient pots and all. This is our guide.
10th, 12th century. It's horse accessories.
Horse accessories.
Yes.
Here are some ornaments, and these are from 6th century. No, guys, very old. This is the ancient photos of the Burana Tower which we have climbed just now before visiting this museum. Watch this. And watch this. Ornaments. They are from like 10 and 12th centuries. Very old ornaments. Just we came to know that this is a makeup stuff and it's of 7th century. Like you can watch the rings here. And this is to put in stones. Eyebrows like it. I don't know this girl stuff, but so here is 10 something. We need to go there also. And now sunlight has came. I was not planned for sunlight. Watch the view. It's looking so good. We are going inside this. It's some shop, something. Which shop?
Souvenir.
Souvenir shop. Okay.
This is gift shop.
Okay, so here you can find Kyrgyzstan, Burana Tower here. This is the location. And here are some ornaments, kitchens related to Kyrgyzstan, books related to Kyrgyzstan, handbands,
Bayram kasasında mesela ekskursiya.
rings. This is unique. You can find this just in Kyrgyzstan. Scarf for girls, I think so. Yes. So here are some bags. This is old Kyrgyz people used to make this, and this tradition is going now also. So flip-flop slippers, and that's it. So these dogs are really interesting. Aza has bought this in 100 some, right?
Yeah, 100 some.
And Abdullah buy 2 photos. One this, and what about the other? This photos are around 30 soms.
Yeah.
And this I showed you earlier also. This is the beautiful. It's around 150 soms. Very good, beautiful. So now we are going on this. It's small hill, and let's capture the view after going on the hill. क्या बोल रहे? क्या बोले? बोलो ना. So Muqaddas is disturbing a lot in our intro.
No guys, I'm not.
Yes, she is. We need to climb, and Aza is winning the race. Aza, you can't win the race. Wait. Come fast, guys. Yes, Aza won the race, and I am on second spot. What about Muqaddas and Sana? Come fast. But be careful. Come from this side. There is sticky mud there. So this was the video related to Burana Tower, and now we will go to second location, and this will be in part 2. And look how much time they are wasting. So here were one Burana Tower which was very interesting to climb, and there is one museum there, and after that there is a of old ornaments like that. So, and you can watch the view of this location. Already got late because of our group. They are busy in taking photos and going live on Instagram. So let's meet in part 2. This is the part 1 related to Burana Tower. Let's see you guys in part 2.